We're looking at the SOG PowerAssist EOD black oxide version. This is model B67. It's got the C4 punch on it. As far as the tool assembly here, where is it at? There it is, right there. C4 punch. It's got a flathead screwdriver, can opener with a small screwdriver on the end. Got a three-sided file. Each tool holds in place individually with the piano lock system. The pliers have the compound leverage system on them, capable of cutting through pocket change. It's got two blades on it. Both blades are held in place with safeties. As you see right here, you slide the safety back, it can disengage each blade. The blades are assisted. Push them a little bit and they're open. There's the fine edge blade. There's the little serrated edge blade. They're both about 3 inches long. They're locked in place whenever you open them. You have to push the unlock to get the blade to close. Each blade locks individually. And then when you're ready for them to be held in place permanently, just push the lock back into place and they go nowhere. This is the SOG PowerAssist EOD model B67. It comes with a ballistic nylon sheath.